This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first steps now. Make sure your TV and device share the same Wi-Fi network. Without that, casting won't work. Next, open the app or browser that holds your media and look for Cast, AirPlay, or Screen Mirroring. Tap that control, you may see device names like Living Room TV or Chromecast. Once done, select the TV and wait a few seconds for the connection to initialize and the screen preview to appear. Now continue the process and execute the detailed steps to mirror successfully. After selecting your TV, you might need to accept a permission prompt on the TV or device. Grant it so the link completes. Decide whether to mirror the entire screen or just a single app or browser tab. Mirroring is simpler, but casting a tab often reduces lag. If frame drops or audio sync problems appear, switch to an HDMI cable as a stable fallback, and adjust volume and aspect ratio settings on the TV. To complete the task, stop casting properly and handle one common troubleshooting tip. When you're done, end the cast from your phone or laptop so the TV returns to normal and the network frees bandwidth. If the TV never appears or the image freezes, reboot the router first, then the TV, then your casting device. This often clears discovery issues. Make sure your TV app and device firmware are up to date. If wireless still fails, plug an HDMI and continue without delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.